The first step of the new machine is to level it first. Step 2 is to edit all the molds of the machine. Step 3 is to start bending. First of all, we test the short material, determine the accuracy of the machine, and explain some precautions and operation essentials to the customer. Of course, we also need to fold the longboard that matches the length of the machine. The angle and size are not a problem. This is a basic requirement, but we also need to put some pressure on ourselves. Let's take a look at the two splicing effects.